Is he coming down? He landed yesterday. Touchdown! Another quick beer delivery. Awesome.
That is just plain awesome. Yeah, that makes sense.
That's plain awesome?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
I get it.
Pull up to the parking lot.
That's great. That is great. Now, is that the one you went up with?
Yeah, same one. Uh-oh, sticky mud. We're getting pelted. He's mudding it. He's mudding the plane. First time ever on Dave's farm. I didn't think you were going to get out of that mud.
What are you doing, buddy?
Doing good. Yep, we're going on our first David's Farm winter tour by plane.
Hey, Bloke and Rick, and where the hell are you guys?
Yeah, they're
I
at
missed
home.
you yesterday. I came in before you guys were here, and here I am today.
They're at home drinking beer, of course.
Oh, well, let's go see if we can get unstuck over here. Yeah, I'll get this shit out of the way. Leave one seatbelt out until you get in there. The snow is super sticky now.
Yeah, I know.
shifted sideways, so we put that back on. Flipped her on the other side, it looked really loose. So you know the wheels of the track run on?
Yeah?
Snapped right off.
Oh.
On the bogies?
Well, yeah.
Or has it got slide suspension?
Well, we got back here on a snowmobile engine, and now we're the same kind of engines and no snowmobiles.
Put the track on.
Oh, I see.
Put the wheel
Right where the gas shock goes on there.
Oh,
was going that way.
the rear wheel is missing.
Yeah. That one there. Gas shock's busted there. Rear wheel come right off of there.
Yeah, it's gone.
So if you're lucky, be able to get that bolt out.
Oh, the bolt will probably come out, but I don't have another spare wheel. Just the bearing went bad and the wheel fell off.
Yeah.
No use even looking for it because it'll be no good.
Yeah, he found. We were just looking for it. We can't find it anywhere.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter.
anyways, because the bearing sees up, eh?
Yeah.
He was just driving and
Everything
it
else
was quick.
okay in there though.
And he went to start it and
Likely story, likely story. If we would have brought a helicopter instead of a damn plane, we could have just helicopter lifted it out, you know?
Yeah.
Come on, get a helicopter, old man.
I'll
try, man.
You can
Come on.
drive that out here.
You can do beer drops and everything with a helicopter.
That's right.
Yeah. Hot summer's day, we're all laying on the beach and we're too lazy to go back to the barn. We're all too lazy to go back to the barn. We just call you in and you drop beer right over the beach for us. Well, let's race them back. See who wins.
No point, don't come back, eh?
Ugh. Made it. Home sweet home, they're off. We didn't even fly back when we came back.
So you guys
before.
are kind of competition, huh?
No, it's not acrobatic. Oh, see how quick he took off? Yeah.
Gets off the ground quick. This is a low creek flyby.
So take my dozer out. That's child abuse. He's probably scaring the shit out of that 13-year-old kid.
That was a wave goodbye.
Yeah.